Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening taskbar settings so you can change behavior immediately. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. This bypasses Control Panel and gets you to the right page. Once the settings window appears, make sure you are signed in as an administrator or a user with permission to change system settings. This prevents permission errors later. Now locate taskbar behaviors in the settings pane. That's where the locking options and alignment controls live. You now expand taskbar behaviors and review the available controls. This is the detailed middle step. Change alignment if needed, and decide whether to enable automatically hide or show badges. Each affects how fixed the bar feels. If Windows 11 shows a setting to disable dragging or to prevent rearranging icons, turn it on to lock positions. If that exact option is absent, combine disabling drag with pinning apps to the taskbar. Pinning preserves icon location, even when you finish by pinning the apps you want fixed and confirming their order. This finalizes the lock. Then restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and back in to ensure settings apply. If you still notice changes, check for third-party customization tools or company group policies that override local settings. Disable or update them. One troubleshooting tip: if icons keep moving, create a new user profile to test whether the issue is profile-specific before making deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.